तुझे 2 घंटे से भी नहीं जानती और मुझे पता है तेरे में प्रॉब्लम है.
Honestly, when it comes to dating, I feel like I'm either the best person you would date or either the worst person you would date. Trust me.
Like when it comes to Srishti, there is very little thinking involved. Critical thinking skills are like gone for a toss. It's just vibes. And bad ones. Oh my god, people are cheating on each other. Everyone's hurting each other. Oh my god.
It's way beyond that
Hoe
now.
culture.
Yeah.
Boy culture. Like that is not what I'm trying to say.
Like he had my passwords. He knew everything
Oh my
about me. He didn't want me to talk to other guys.
What phone was it?
I think it was
The iPhone 6.
No, it was 12 Pro Max.
Oh, this is recent.
16 आ गया Zia. And if
Yeah.
they repeat what
I have done.
no, I haven't done anything. But like if they
Ooh. Hi guys, I am Zia.
I'm Srishti.
I'm Dhritika.
And we are Besharam.
So, as you guys know that we've, really dove deep into like friendships and relationships and when it comes to like in terms of parents and families and
Yeah.
siblings, guys. So, I mean, there is one part of like the human connection that we've not really touched on just yet.
Yes.
And that has so many reasons, a romantic love interest is
Yep.
so important in anyone's lives.
Yeah.
But yeah, today we've just decided to like not give a shit.
Yeah.
And this is a tell-all on our dating lives. This is like going to be interesting. I can
Yeah.
assure you this one's going to be spicy.
Mhm.
So I hope you tune in.
And I hope
But
my
yeah.
parents don't.
Yeah. I mean, I don't think your parents are watching. I don't think my parents watched like up until 3 episodes and then they genuinely got bored.
My
What are you
parents
saying?
watch
Yeah.
up until like 10 minutes of the siblings episode. Then it came down to the Chotu Sa Mera Bhai. Then they stopped.
My dad
Please
doesn't know that
stop.
we have he doesn't have the link to our channel.
Dude, you can just look it up.
That's my dad. He's like मेरे को लिंक ही नहीं पता है किधर है.
Oh, wow.
He's like मैंने अब तक देखा ही नहीं तुम्हारा YouTube पे किधर है.
So he cannot use YouTube without a link.
He can. He can search things, but he just never.
He's
I
not
really
taking
get
the
that.
initiative.
And I'm
Yeah.
like, great, good job. Do
Good.
not.
Yeah.
The only thing that he watches on YouTube is news.
No. He watches like planes and shit, like fighter jets and all of that. He's damn interested in it.
Is that what he's watching?
Yes.
Oh, I used to love air crash investigation. I used to love that shit.
You know what I used to love? Going out
Love.
on dates.
You know what I used to love? All of my exes.
Do
Not
not give
really.
her.
Turns out,
Do not give
not
her
really,
ideas.
she says, huh? Not really.
Not
Do
really.
not give her ideas.
Yeah, no.
We're very careful when we talk about relationships in front of Srishti. Because
Yeah.
anything that we say and अगर उसके दिमाग में वो चीज बैठ गई फिर वो कर देगी.
नहीं, actually वो वैसे भी कर देगी.
Fair.
Like when it comes to Srishti, there is very little thinking involved. Critical thinking skills are like gone for a toss. No logic being used. It's just vibes.
Just
Yeah.
And bad ones. When it comes to dating, at least up until now, guys. Okay, any of our exes watching? Why? It's all right. We have a lot of nice viewers that give us a lot of love. You don't have to hate watch. It's okay.
So one thing about me is that I'm like a hopeless romantic, like a crazy hopeless romantic. Like the ones
How about
you
we use
see-
the word senseless next time?
So I've been like a senseless romantic all my life. I really like to give people a lot of love.
She's giving.
I'm a giver.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a giver. But the thing is, I have never received the same amount of affection or the same amount of love or attention in return ever. It's always either more than how much I wanted or less than how much
Can
ever
you
I
remind me
wanted.
of an instance where it was more? Because I cannot remember. Oh, wait, I can.
Yeah.
Actually, I can. Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah. Fair, fair, fair.
it then it becomes very, what do you say, claustrophobic
But
for
for you,
me.
it's like you do say and believe that you love people before you actually do. You say that, you do that.
Yeah.
Whether or not
Yeah.
you like it, you
Hmm.
will say it like just to us, like, no, but like I love him. Like, you don't get it, I love him.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
then वही वहां पर जाकर हगेगी.
She
फिर
uses the word love very lightly.
yeah, I
And I
agree.
feel a lot of people in our generation use the word love very lightly.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
I
I
mean,
agree. I
yeah,
do
like
agree
you
with
can say I
that.
love makeup, I love dance, but like if you're talking about relationships and romantic feelings, using the word love lightly can be problematic sometimes.
Yeah, true.
And
True.
I do
because
not.
it implies like so much. Like it means something so different to me
Right.
as compared to you. So
Yeah.
my perception of love is what like you are saying you have for me.
Hmm.
That's big to me, but maybe to you it's like, but like I also love vada pav.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, so it's no one's fault at the end of the day. I guess it's about clear
Yeah,
communication.
no. For everyone, love could mean something completely different. Like what
Mm.
you feel about love could differ from what I and
Yeah,
Sush feel about love. Like
Yeah.
but this one's
we
gonna
can't come
be.
to one definition of love if you want to put it that way.
I
I feel
agree
like
with
I
that.
do say it in the beginning that I do love you and I do
And then throughout.
and then the thing is that in the process, if like I am actually liking the person, then I will go to like crazy extents, like
Definitely.
crazy fucking
She's obsessive.
extents. No, I'm not obsessive.
No,
I'm
that is a sign of being obsessive. You're not completely, but yeah, that is one of the things that makes it look
But
very
would you
obsessive.
disagree though?
I'm not. I'm agreeing with you.
Yeah.
no, like I won't like constantly call, I won't like
Fair, yeah.
constantly text.
Yeah.
I'm not like hovering on your
Yeah, no.
head all the time. It's just that if I am too much involved, like I want to know what's happening on in your life, I want to know how you're dealing with things, but I
Yeah.
do understand even if the person needs a personal space. I have had issues with that in the past though, that if someone I'm seeing and they are going through something and they need their personal space, it was very difficult for me to give them space.
Yes.
Like I don't want to do that. I can't. I just can't.
Let's be in
know.
this together, good or bad.
Yeah, yeah. For me, it was always like I want to know what you're going through so that I can help too.
But then at that point in time, you were almost like subconsciously, you did not feel safe giving them that space because you knew this was coming to an end.
Yeah.
That is why you did not want. It's not like today you start dating someone and you get into a healthy relationship.
Yeah.
I do not think if there is a problem of this space thing and you feel secure that you would have a problem giving them space.
Exactly.
I don't think that's going to be a problem for you because you're not you're not, say what you want, you're not like dumb,
Yeah.
right? You want to, if you want to sustain something, you're going to be able to do it.
Yeah.
This is like my observation.
No,
Obviously.
I agree with you.
But yeah, at that point in time, I don't think that you can say that I struggle with giving space because
Yeah.
there was a lot more things coming into play
Right.
At that point of time
at
in
that
my
point
life.
of time. Yes.
But right now, that's what I do believe too. Right now, I have become more accepting.
Yeah.
I have become more understanding. And I do, honestly, when it comes to dating, I feel like I'm like either the best person you would date or either the worst person you would date. Like,
I agree.
honestly, trust me. Like, you will have a
Yeah.
very hard time to move on because I was the best or I was the
Hmm.
worst.
I think this, like what you just explained about yourself, I think this comes with, this is not how you were.
Yeah.
You know, this just comes with a lot of bad relationships that you've been in.
Yes.
And like, it just collectively, it's in your subconscious. You don't know that
Yeah.
you're doing it, but then
Yeah.
all of like, if you had 5 exes, for example, and then if
Yeah.
all 5 have been fucking terrible to you,
Yeah.
you're like, bhai, what the fuck?
Yeah. After a point of time, you're just like, मेरे में ही गलती है.
Exactly.
ये
And
तो
then that little grain of self-doubt and like that
yeah,
little
yeah,
grain
yeah,
of
yeah, yeah,
am I
true.
not good enough
Yeah,
comes in
no,
to play.
honestly, I'll tell you, the first time I was cheated on,
Hmm.
I have been cheated on, guys, and I am going to talk about this extremely stupid story that I know a lot of people will still relate to me.
In my mind, I'm like, which one is she talking about?
Exactly. So I was dating this guy for 4 years, and
Let's be honest, you were dating him for 2 years, your best friend for 4 years.
yeah, I was dating him for 2 years.
Hmm.
I was best friends with him for 4 years.
Yeah.
And then, but still, like when we were together, we were seeing each other.
Hmm.
It was very clear that we are exclusive with each other.
Yes.
But there was no official proposal.
Yeah, there was no
Yeah,
official
correct.
proposal. And then, one single day, I get to know that,
This is before the word situationship was coined.
yeah, this is way before
Wow.
Fucking
situation.
old, bro. I feel ancient.
I've been doing this before it was invented.
Before
What
it
the
was cool.
fuck?
She was in a situationship before it was cool.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
So I was dating this guy for 2 years. Before that, we were friends for 4 years. And during the time when we were seeing each other, it was a good 1 year that we were seeing each other. And that's when I get to know that this guy has been cheating on me.
Love.
And we were very exclusive, by the way.
I
Like
love because
very, very,
he
very
didn't deserve it.
Good
exclusive.
riddance.
Yeah.
And he like he had my passwords. He knew everything
Oh my
about me.
God.
He didn't want me to talk to other guys. He didn't want me to
Okay,
have
wait.
other guy best friends.
We never liked her.
To a
Liked him,
certain-
by the way.
To a certain extent, I agree with him when he says no guy best friends.
Yeah,
And I
do
agree
too.
with him when he says don't talk to guys because at the end of it all he knows how men are. And he knows despite of you
That's not true.
So
in many cases it
the
is.
issues is the best friends.
Exactly. Be it a girl, be it
Yeah,
a
I
guy.
know.
The issue is the best friend.
I actually know that.
And
Exactly.
actually, it's not the best friend. It's if the best friend is his type. The best friend shouldn't be his type.
I see it.
Yeah.
If
I
she
see
is
it.
not his type and they are close, they have been
Hmm.
friends since like
Then you're safe.
childhood, then you're safe. Then you're very much safe.
Hmm.
I've
Wait,
observed
friends
this a
with
lot.
child. Okay, fine.
Friends from childhood.
Okay.
So I was dating this guy and like 1 year into being exclusive and everything. He was very controlling, very, very controlling. Even to a point where, so the thing is, in my house, I'm a non-vegetarian. My family is a non-vegetarian. But he and his parents followed like selective
Oh,
days.
fuck, I forgot
Like,
about this.
We don't eat on Tuesday. We don't eat
forgot
on
about this.
Monday. We don't eat on
No, I know what you're gonna
Thursdays.
say.
We don't eat non-veg on these days. And this guy would like force me. That why are you? He would fight with me if I would eat non-veg on Monday, Tuesday.
No, the first time she
Thursday.
told us this was like right after they broke up, and then she was like, "Yeah, so he used to like."
Why do I
kind
not
of-
remember this?
No, she said no. He used to like ask me to not eat, and now we are getting to know after I don't know how many years that he would force her.
Wow.
Yeah.
Dude, the thing
Because I think she also said that because we were actually mad at her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then he was very controlling. But still, I was like, okay, if I am going to. At that point of time, I had decided that I'm going to be spending the rest of my life with this man because obviously you're like.
every guy ever.
Every guy ever, for sure.
No.
For sure.
You want me to start listing our names now?
Yes, that is what they need. ऐसे थोड़ी आएंगे views.
So I was like, if I am going to do all of this for him, if he's also going to do all of this for me, then it's okay. I can like cut off on these things. And even I did not want him to have like other female best friends and everything. But still, again, he had female best friends who were not his type. And so I was okay with all of that.
Exactly.
So who did
Then-
he cheat with?
Some other chick from gym.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah. And then I get to know about this
Hmm.
and we have a conversation. I'm like, what the fuck is this?
At what point in the 4 years was this?
This is after 2 years of us being very exclusive and like seeing each other.
Right.
Yeah, but there was no official proposal.
Yes.
And then we had a fight, and then I was like, I can't
remember
do this.
this.
I
Yeah.
don't. It's like very hazy.
Yeah. I was like, I don't want to do this. This is too much for me. And then this guy is like, oh, so what do you want me to do? Block and remove all the girls that I follow? And I was like, yeah.
If that helps.
Yeah. And then he was like, let me just make another account only. Then he made another
That's the bare
account.
fucking minimum.
But dude, like, okay, so if you're watching this and you have figured out that your man's like been cheating on you or has cheated on you, whatever, see, there are very, very like little instances that I see you guys get like getting past that, because otherwise the cheating bit is not like a comment on who you are as a person. It's really a comment on
Exactly.
who they are as a
That's
person, because
Exactly.
they do not wish to commit to you, which is why they're seeking
Other
this
people.
pleasure elsewhere.
Exactly.
That's where I was going at. So I was like, after a point, he was convincing me a lot, and then I was also too comfortable into like him and everything.
Yeah.
So then I was like, okay, this happened once. Let me like get past this. And I told him, okay, this has happened. We'll never talk about it. This is done and dusted,
Fair.
off the carpet.
Yeah.
We are not going to be talking about this.
Hmm.
After that, the next day, he proposed to me. Like, will you be my girlfriend?
The next day.
The next day.
And we only heard about the proposal, and I don't even remember if it was like extravagant or not.
That's what I'm saying. It's very
What
hazy.
was it? How did he do it? Do not do that. People
Was
are gonna like make a gif out of that.
Do you guys remember the paper ring he made? Because I was like, I'm allergic to fake jewelry. So he made like a cute flower paper ring with a box. But in his defense, he made it, and it was actually a very cute ring. It was
I'm
a
not
cute
saying
ring.
Taylor Swift
Yeah.
wrote an entire song about it. I agree. I do not want to be asked out with that though. It's very cute.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
if you're
It's
doing
not
something-
me.
Nah, dude. It to each their own.
To each their own, yeah.
To each their own.
Yeah. Maybe
But
a
it's
lot of
something
people.
you find
who
cute.
is known to be a material girl.
That's there. That just was how down bad she was.
Yeah, but
And that just shows that how much he did not care about what I want, and he would always do the things that he would feel are best for me.
Right.
So then he proposed to me.
Wow.
that's
the next
so
day.
true though.
Third
Like-
eye open by.
The next day I'm like, okay, yes, let's date.
Yes, queen. Just
And
got
then-
cheated on. It's a ring. You just got cheated on.
Who the fuck proposes after cheating on your girlfriend? I've heard a lot of men say this, like, I cheated on her and then I felt bad. That's when I realized that I really
She's the
love her.
one.
Like, bro, what the fuck?
Dude, can you like,
What
if
the
you want
fuck
to
are you
cheat,
on?
guys, if you want to cheat, can you like suck a dick?
Then after that, we dated for 2 years. And in those 2 years, he was like obsessively controlling. Like, obsessively.
Which we
Like-
were unaware about.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And either it was him controlling or him not giving even 10 minutes to me in a single day.
Yes.
I did not ask for much. I didn't have, many expectations. I was never that kind of a person that take me out on dates or buy me flowers, give me gifts. I know every girl deserves that, but I was like, okay, I'm ready to sacrifice all of this.
Yeah, I'm ready
At
to
least I'm ready to wait. At least just give me 10 minutes of your day.
wait.
I don't want anything else. See, that's what, guys, I'm very very adjusting, very understanding. And that is one of my flaws, that I will not prioritize my needs. I will always be too understanding of whatever the fuck the other person is ready to give. And I'm very accepting of that. So it was my fault too in that place that I let that shit get
No,
to
you
me.
can't question
No,
you
no, no,
for
it
being
was.
yourself. It was the wrong person, I agree, but you can't be like, dude, it's my fault because I'm like that.
No, it was my fault. I did not stand up
And
myself for myself.
can I also say you're not like, I think you're able to put your foot down. You
Yeah,
are not, you're not, and I'm not saying this is a bad thing. You're not adjusting to a fault. Like, you're not so adjusting that that is your fault. That isn't who you are.
Exactly.
yeah,
I guess what you're saying in retrospect is you're trying to like rationalize what happened to you,
Hmm.
yeah,
which was horrible, terrible, and it was not about you.
yeah,
Something happened to you, not like, it had nothing to do with you.
exactly. And then after like two of these years, and one single day, I was like, listen, I feel like we don't spend that much time together.
Right.
Can you at least come to drop me home?
Hmm.
He had a car and he had a bike. And then I was like, then he was like, the car's not here, it's out. My parents have taken it. I was like, take a bike se drop kar de. And he's like, listen, I don't feel like it. I have to go to the gym. And then I was like, listen, you and gym, I'm not very positive about that, okay? I know like you have to work out, you're an athlete and everything. But every time you talk about your gym friends and you, it kind of used to trigger me because the girl he cheated on
Yeah.
with was from gym.
Hmm.
So then I was like, but what's so important that you cannot come 20 minutes distance we are staying away, okay? That you can't come 20 minutes to drop me. And then
Yeah.
he's like, but then again, I'll take more 15 minutes to come back. I'm like, you are on a bike. You literally take 20 minutes to and fro. It's not
Hmm.
that
This
difficult.
has so much to do also with the fact that you were a minor and he was way older than you.
Yeah.
You forgot about that, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, she had not formed a solid brain.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Like, that was not the case.
She still doesn't have a solid brain. She's just 12.
Let's give her some grace here
Yeah, no, for sure.
for like 2 seconds, because that was horrible.
That was fucking terrible.
He
man.
was what? How old was he? 19?
20.
He was
And
20
you
and she
were?
was 16.
Yeah.
17? No,
16. We
16.
were 17. then.
we were
No,
17.
when I was 16, he was 19.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want to
No.
vomit.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah. And then
Can you believe I had fun things planned for this episode?
after this and then he was like, okay, fine. He made that face, like, okay, fine. And then I was like, okay, maybe he's dropping me home. He went and he stopped in front of a cab and he asked the cab, भैया इसको ये जगह पे छोड़ोगे क्या? I have sat in the cab and I have started crying. I've like started bawling my eyes out. Like, I'm absolutely not getting anything in return for
Hmm.
what? Have I not been understanding? Have I not been the person who is forgiving?
Dude,
Have
you
I not?
literally forgave him for cheating on you. He should be fucking worshipping the floor you fucking walk on.
Exactly. Exactly. That's when I decided.
I mean, he
was like,
refused to take her on a date. I don't think he really knows what that means.
Anyway.
yeah, then that's when that cab ride home, I was like, this is the last fucking straw. I am
Hmm.
standing
Was
up
it
for
the last
myself.
straw?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I was like, I'm standing up for myself. I'm going to break up with him.
Slay.
Right.
Then I had this conversation with him, and then the begging started. Like, please don't leave, do this, do that. And then he used to call me, in emergency. Like, I'm going on tour and I won't be back for like 4 and 5 months, and I just want to see you before I
Yeah,
go.
bhai.
And then I used to be at college, bro, and then he used to call me. He's like, no, I want you to come, I want you to come. And ऐसे मैं एक दो बार गई, फिर उसने मुझे बोला, दूसरी बार जब गई थी तो उसने मुझे बोला मैंने झूठ बोला था. I was like, what the fuck are you on? Are you stupid or something? And then I was like, first you cheat on me. And then he was like, I never cheated on you. He had the fucking audacity to say, I never cheated on you. And then I was like, you know what? I do not continue to wish this conversation. Please fuck off. And then he was like, okay. And I had given him my phone to keep in his bag. So then while he was like walking away,
जेब का तो
I called him, okay? I'm like, I called him twice. He did not look back. Then I went running behind him. He thought I'm stopping him, like, don't go. But I actually just wanted my phone.
no. Imagine. Okay, please, can we have like, you get cheated on, you get shat on, you get lied to,
You get
and
gaslighted.
when someone finally stands up for themselves and breaks up with you, you steal their phone. What the fuck? What phone was it?
I think it was
The iPhone 6.
No,
It was the Samsung, I think.
no, it was the 12 Pro Max.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is recent.
No, 12 Pro Max is not
16 आ
recent.
गया Zia.
Sorry. Okay, so for an I bet he must have thought like, इतना breakup करी 12 Pro Max तो deserve
हाँ,
करता हूँ भाई मैं.
करता हूँ मैं.
इतना तो मैं deserve करता हूँ.
And then I was like, भाई फोन देके जा. And he was like, मुझे लगा तू मुझे रुकाने के लिए बोल. He actually said it.
That was
मुझे
very
लगा तू
funny.
मुझे रुकाने आई है. मैं बोला नहीं, फोन
That
ज्यादा
is so
important है.
funny.
घर कैसे जाऊंगी
I
मैं?
love that.
Then I booked an Uber and I went home and I was nicely chilling. I remember then I called you guys over and then we had something.
No, so this was, I don't know
You
if this was
didn't
before.
call us that day. I think we
We-
met a couple of days after
We
the breakup
met-
happened.
few weeks before this.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
yeah.
then
ये टेबल पे बैठी हुई थी ऊपर.
हाँ, that's
भाई
when-
ये वो बड़ा टेबल होता है ना, फोटो
With-
डालना.
Oh,
वो बड़ा टेबल होता है, वो कोई ऊपर से
ऊपर
माले
से,
पे से
हाँ.
कोई चीज निकालनी होती है, तो उस
हाँ.
पे बैठी आई है और
And
हम
she
लोग
had-
उसको
And she had the flowers that he gave her in her hands.
Yeah.
So, but he gave me flowers.
no
No,
way.
wait. I have to say this. So at that point of time, I used to post a lot of flowers on my stories, and I used to pay for them. I used to get those flowers for myself, and then he used to just be an assistant
I've
standing over there,
you know what
and I
I've
used to
heard?
tell everyone that he gifted me.
Legend
You
has
said
it.
that also to us, donkey.
Yeah,
Legend has it. Miley Cyrus was very inspired by Srishti.
very
I
much. I can buy myself flowers.
Yeah, that's what it's based on. But yeah, she was sitting on that fucking thing, and we randomly, like, so she never used to like to talk about this guy to us, even though it was 4 years, and like we always had a bad feeling about him.
Yeah,
He did not want to meet us. He didn't care who we even were. He didn't care to even learn our names. I'm not even joking you. And like we had to like literally force her and beg her to like, hey, we like at least need to like screen
See,
him.
exactly.
Yeah.
Like, is he like a serial killer? Like, we need to know. And इतने मिन्नतों के बाद वो मिलने आया था एक बार, वो भी मुझे बिल्कुल मतलब सड़ेला मरेला लगा वो एकदम.
मुझे तो याद भी नहीं वो कब आया था.
तू नहीं थी शायद.
हाश.
जाने दे. तो फिर है ना, हमने इसको पूछा कि कैसा चल रहा है ब्लैंक के साथ. तो एक तो पहले तो कुछ तो अच्छा बोलने जा रही थी, फिर रोने लग गई अचानक.
I just started crying.
She had like tears rolling down her eyes.
I was
He treats me
sobbing.
like shit. This
Is it
and
the
that.
same day?
And yeah, so no.
No,
so
this is before I broke up with him.
This is before she broke up with him, and this came as a complete surprise to us because
Yeah.
we were under the impression कि
सब सही है.
सब सही चल रहा है.
So I have this thing that if I'm seeing someone,
Hmm.
I do not talk about what's happening. Like, I do not. I will only talk about the good parts. I will never talk about the fights. Never ever. I feel like because if I'm having a fight with that person
Hmm.
and I come and tell my friends about it, and then my friends, I know they are going to take my side only and they are going to stand by my side, whatever. They are going to be slightly biased to me. And after a while, they are going to form an impression. Maybe when I am narrating my side of the story, I might victimize myself a little.
Hmm.
I might. And it's okay.
It's natural.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And during that process, my friends might start hating him thoda karke. what if there's actually a future somewhere and I have created this like weird energy between my friends and my partner? I used to hate that. I never wanted that. That's why I used to always keep a distance between sharing things. And I think I still do that to some extent. I like to solve issues privately.
Yeah.
I don't like to involve a lot of people. But when it gets to me and I can't take it, that's when this random one day sobbing happens.
Yeah, but like knowing you for so long, right? Like, and I'm just talking about you. Like, if Didika had a similar problem, I'll probably look at it
Yeah.
differently.
Hmm.
But like knowing you for so long, I've learned how to like, I know how you sort of behave in relationships. So I'm able to look at it from a more critical lens.
Yeah.
Like your recent breakup that you had, I don't think I was very much on your side.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
none
wasn't.
of us were.
None of us
None
were on
of
your
them
side.
were on my side because I was behaving like a complete maniac.
Yes.
Yes.
I was, and I do accept it. And after that, also, I have realized that, you know, what went wrong. The retrospection is very important.
It is.
Like the aftermath of why something is not working out anymore. It's very important. Two different people, if you try to, if they are sexually compatible,
Hmm.
if they are
Emotionally.
emotionally compatible, if only they are, you know, they have similar interests, goals, and future plans,
Hmm.
then only there's a chance of them working out in the
Long run.
longer
Hmm.
term. If none of these things are like even closely in resemblance to these two personalities, it's genuinely going to be very haywire.
I
A lot
see
of
it.
people keep saying that opposites attract, attract.
It's a part and parcel of
Yeah.
it.
It's like, I think maybe opposites attract, but you need to have some sense of similarity somewhere at
Definitely.
least.
Definitely.
Yeah.
This entire story of Srishti is just it I mean, it scares me for the generation that's younger than us.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because the love and the relationship side of it that we've grown up seeing our parents, our grandparents, XYZ, whoever, is just completely different from what
Exactly.
our younger generations are seeing us do.
Exactly.
And of course, we have I mean, I'm not saying we know it all about love, we know it all about
know it,
relationships,
yeah.
but like we know
We know actually.
we
I
know
would-
it at the very basic and at the very core of it.
Yeah.
Like we know how we can differentiate between right and wrong. If it should be acceptable, shouldn't be acceptable. But do we though?
I
don't
feel
think
like
so.
our dating scene of our generation is very fucked. It's royally
Very
fucked.
Definitely.
very like.
And I'm not just saying,
Definitely
oh my god, people are cheating on each other, everyone's hurting each other. Oh my god,
It's way beyond that
whole
now.
culture,
Yeah,
fuckboy
yeah.
culture. Like that is not what I'm trying to say.
Definitely not.
And I will elaborate on what I mean,
Hmm.
but
Yeah.
after Didika finishes
Yeah,
what
so
she
that's
needs
what I
to
was
say.
getting at. I'm like, we've seen love in its purest form, and like, I know it sounds superficial to many people, but from what I've grown up seeing in my surroundings, I think I've seen the most purest forms of love, and I've grown up seeing that, and I would want that for myself as well. But like, if you see what the younger generations are seeing us do in a relationship, they're getting the wrong idea of it. And
So
even thinking about in like 10 years down the line when
Yeah.
I'm gonna have my own kids, and if
Yeah.
they repeat what
I have done.
no I haven't done anything,
Yeah.
but like if they
Ooh.
if they repeat what's happening right now, I'm gonna fucking smack their faces and be like, listen, do it right or don't do it.
Yeah. For me, I think
Like you're saying we had good role models
Yes,
and they
Yeah.
don't.
they don't.
they don't.
Is like
Not
like
We
the
don't
way
have the
that
best of the best.
the way that like the boomers and the boomers are legit, like their entire humor is I hate my wife.
yeah.
Like that is what
No,
they
but-
get off on.
Fair.
No love is perfect.
Yeah, no, for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah,
But
yeah.
like, it's not as fucked up as how our generation relationships.
You
should
don't know,
be.
right? Because like these people they're happy, they're living because they used to die at war, so they don't. Beggars aren't choosers. All right. So I guess they're just like grateful to be here. I don't
No,
think they
but-
have the time to be.
But they were also very
Players.
adjusting, right?
Yes,
did,
because
they
they
were
got
not
married as
picky.
minors.
Whatever the consequence, they did end up
Let's
being
be honest,
adjusting.
Ritika. Let's be honest. Like, people used to get married earlier.
Mhm.
They had no uh
Speaking
sense
about
of like
our parents.
how the world works.
Okay.
They had no real resources as to
Mhm.
where they can make their own choices.
Okay.
And today that is an option. So people
Yeah.
are making their choices, and isn't that a good thing? It's fucked up for sure,
I
but
see it.
once you know how to make your own choices
Hmm.
and you're okay with like being on your own, you're gonna be able to find a partner that works for you. And
Yeah.
even if you don't, you know at the end of the day that you're okay
You
with
are
being on your own.
exactly. I completely agree with
I
this
see it.
thing. So the thing is, I have grown up seeing a very superficial but yet real kind of love in my household with my parents. My parents are like madly in love with each other, and it has always been like that. It's an arranged marriage, but it
Hmm.
always feels like it's a love marriage.
Hmm.
Like my dad will always randomly get my mom gifts, and my
Aw.
mom will always my dad leaves the house at 1 p.m. in the afternoon.
Hmm.
He will call my mom once he reaches there. And after that, my mom will call him to give him some tea or something. Then they'll be gossiping for
Definitely.
good
Oh, I
one
really
and a
thought like
half hour.
chai, but tea?
Tea, yeah.
Love.
Then they will gossip up for almost good 40-45 minutes.
Hmm.
After that, dad will work for some time, mom will work for some time. Then later again, he'll call her, "What are you doing? What's up?" And then
Yeah,
they'll
definitely.
talk
You
for
up?
more.
That's like you up.
Then they'll talk for more good 2 hours. And after like office, he'll come back. Then again, he'll want to talk to his wife because they are very close, bro. So for me,
Hmm.
it is always like I've seen a very healthy relationship of my
Right.
parents, and it's very difficult for me to settle for something that is not on those similar lines.
But
I
you
agree.
settled, as we saw. That was a mistake, and people make mistakes.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You know what else is a fucking mistake?
What?
Thinking that you can date on your fucking mobile phone. You cannot. Let me break it to you guys. There is no dating app that is worth it. Or like,
Yeah.
Remote. Yeah.
like it's such a dystopian concept in itself. Like, I'm not. Hold on. Why is this a catalog? I'm a person,
Yeah.
right? And the way that, like, certain apps, certain yellow color apps make it so easy to just, swipe till your fucking finger is sore, right? And then, okay, so this was like back, I don't even remember, like 3 years ago, where my friend was like, Izia, enough is enough. I'm making you a Kumbal account so that you can be in a Kumbal with someone eventually. So she made me a Kumbal account, and then she was like, no, we made it together. So I was like consenting in this. I'll
Yeah, yeah.
I'll have you know that she's not a bitch. And then what, I had it for like a month. Did I have it for a month or like a little longer?
I think lesser than that.
lesser than that,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And at first
This
it was
wasn't 3 years ago. This was 2 years ago, I
I
think.
was 19.
3 years ago.
Yeah, 18 turning 19.
Popre.
Yeah.
Bade ho gaye.
So at that time, like it was a lot of fun in the and I'll tell you, like if you are really in a low spot in life now, you're going to form an addiction that is like that's worse than nicotine or tobacco,
You
whatever.
are going to
Matke ka
get the
pani hota hai.
greatest ego boost of your life
The
if you're a girl.
best, the greatest ego boost. Yes, I agree with that,
Mhm.
and also the sort of instant gratification that you get, like,
Yeah.
oh, you just missed a swipe, or you just missed
Miss
a
a
match,
potential match.
or like there is like 50 plus likes, or like whatever, 100 plus likes, 5,000 plus likes, and you're like, are you shitting me? I posted a picture of my face and 5,000 people are like, I want you, like,
In my life.
in my life romantically. That is crazy.
Crazy.
Those are insane numbers. These are the kind of numbers that we had never seen back in history, right?
Yeah.
So we really don't know the long term effects of what it does to people, especially young people, young vulnerable people who are, you know, still learning and still growing,
Right.
and a lot of them are in really low points in their life,
Hmm.
and maybe some of them are not, and maybe some of them are using this very proactively. But for the people that aren't, it becomes very difficult, and they form this sort of uh, experience where they just feel like even if they find someone decent, they're not able to settle with them because, what if the next best thing is one swipe away?
Yeah.
And then that becomes like a horrible,
Addiction.
vicious cycle,
Hmm.
and nobody's happy. And the only people that are happy are the people that are selling you 50 extra swipes
Right.
a
Yeah.
day because that's what they need you to do.
Hmm.
You're telling me that this is any different than any other addiction? You're lying.
The
Hmm.
thing is
It's
that
almost like a gamble.
It
yeah,
is.
fully. The thing is that have never been able to wrap my head around the idea that I have never met this person. I have
Correct.
never spoken to this person.
Yes.
I have never gone out with this person. How do I expect, or how do I convince myself
Hmm.
to go and meet this person in the first place itself? I
Not
feel
at
like I
all.
watched too much Crime Patrol when I was young.
That's a fair thing.
That's so
Yeah,
fair.
and
So-
for me, the friends to lover has always been the lore.
I love
do
that
not-
trope. I
I
love that
do
trope.
not care about anything else.
Yes.
Either friends to lover or like enemies to lover
Nah.
or like
I'm a big best friends to lover trope.
Hmm.
yeah no
I'm
same.
big on
I
that.
think me too.
Yeah.
Yeah, friends तो होना चाहिए भाई. 3-4
हाँ.
महीने तो minimum.
I feel it's even if you decide on dating someone and you've not been friends with them, it's very important to first be in a
Be-
friendship
Yes.
Yeah.
and then change the equation to relationship.
And the
Yeah.
thing with these apps
It's-
also is that if it's not addictive and gratifying
Hmm.
instantly, it's boring.
It's boring, yeah.
Yeah.
It's boring. There's
I've
a
never been
certain
on any
white
dating
color app
apps.
that's quite boring to me.
Which है?
A
White color
app.
app.
Yeah.
That's quite boring. And
तेरे
Binge.
phone में भी कितना space
It's-
लेता है वो app?
Delete कर दे.
and I'm somewhere in this universe and I haven't opened the app in the past year.
Hmm.
Like legit, somebody told me, oh, look at what I sent you on the white app. And I'm like, buddy, you're like, that's like trying to find like a hair in a grain of, in a bag of rice. So yeah, in one of these apps,
Hmm.
when I was when I was actually enjoying it, and
Mm-hmm.
there was a point in time where I would open this app every day and I would wonder if I have a match, right? Like I would
Yeah.
always look, but then I knew in my head that I haven't swiped right in 2 weeks.
Okay.
So how the fuck am I gonna get a new match?
Hmm.
I won't.
Fair.
But it's still like I want like did I? But then it's literally impossible because
Yeah.
at some point you do get like fatigued. कि नहीं देखना भाई.
Really?
You get very fatigued. Trust me. And I can't like I now it's very clear to me that apps are not for me.
Hmm.
But earlier when I was on the yellow one, there's this one guy, okay, and I liked his like aesthetic. That's all. I couldn't even see his face because he
Hmm.
was all mirror selfie coated,
Oh.
right? We spoke for like an hour
Hmm.
on the app, and then he was like
constant.
yeah,
Back and
very
forth?
constant.
Okay.
Very constant. He was like decent. His grammar was bad, but I was like, beggars aren't choosers. So I said, and he was like, oh my god, I don't have notifications on the yellow app. So why don't you follow me on Instagram? I'm like, no, why don't we talk on Instagram? Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, whatever. If I don't like him, I can block him anytime. I go on there, and then he's like, you know what, like, I'm so glad you like agreed to like actually trust me with your Instagram because like everyone like sort of sees me as like a villain in things.
What?
Okay. And then I'm like, yeah, what? And then he's like, yeah, like nobody really like sticks in my life. Like everyone leaves.
What the fuck? Why
And
the
I'm
fuck is
thinking like, okay, he's had like bad, like
Yeah, yeah,
toxic friends. I'm like, oh my god, what do you mean? You're so fun.
You're good to talk to.
Not really.
Re-
I'll tell you what. Okay, this a little tangent. When you like talk to someone on an app,
Hmm.
and then you read those conversations back, at least to me, I realized that I was having fun because I'm funny. I am interesting and I'm making this conversation interesting. This is 100% of the times is what has happened.
Yeah, I see it.
Right?
Mhm.
And then like I at night you're talking, you're like, I'm
Yeah,
having so
yeah.
much fun. In the
Mhm.
morning you read it again, you're like, wow, he was giving me nothing.
Nothing.
I feel like 2
Like-
बजे के बाद ना your mindset is just like अभी इस point पे किसी से भी बात कर लो, मैं ऐसा क्या बोलते हैं, how do I put it into words यार, like after 2 I feel like the people who are kind of single
Hmm.
and they horny people basically,
हाँ.
they just want to get into each other's pants.
Right.
Tabhi at that point they get some kind of different energy. Then
They
the
get
next
creative.
they get very creative. And then
Mm.
the next day in the morning, the same person will be texting you and you will be like, ugh.
Ugh, Nikki,
Ugh.
genuinely,
I see it, I
it's
see
so
it.
ugh.
Yeah.
It's so
I see
ugh
what
when you see
mean.
someone from an app in real life. It's so ugh. Like, okay, so you know our colleges, like everyone was on the apps, right?
Yes.
And if you like even swiped, you match, you
Hmm.
talk, when you see them in the corridor, you will not make eye contact.
Not.
You won't.
You know,
It's just so weird.
ये रिश्ता ऐप तक ही रखेंगे.
ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है? कुछ नहीं. आप उंगली लीजिए, मुंह पे रखिए. Please do not tell anyone. But yeah, so getting back, ये बोलता है मुझे कि everyone leaves me. I'm like, brother बोलना क्या चाह रहा है? येलो ऐप पे तो आप मतलब
बड़े-
ठीक ही लग रहे थे,
हाँ.
यहाँ पर क्या हो गया? And he's like, no, like you don't understand. I just recently lost my job because I'm depressed, and my mom died
What?
2 years ago. And then I'm like, oh, okay. Do you do something then? And he's like,
Hmm.
yeah, like I am very passionate about playing football. I'm like, that's good.
Great.
That's good. That's
Something
great.
keeps you going.
Something keeps you
Yeah.
going.
Yeah.
He tells me, brace yourselves. But I had an injury last week. No, shut up. Do not. Do not. Shrushi, shut the fuck up.
Okay.
He tells me that the football has hit his testicle and that he is in terrible pain. And I tell him, brother, why don't you go to a doctor?
He did not.
He was like, I'm scared of going to the doctor. I have illness anxiety.
You guys, have you
Brother has a problem for the solution.
Wait. Have you guys
Brother has a problem for the solution.
have you guys seen that scene from Houseful? मेरा दोस्त अशोक फिटनेस उसके तो पैर नहीं
दो हाथ नहीं, दो हाथ नहीं, दो पैर नहीं, एक आंख नहीं.
और उसको वादिया देखने का बहुत शौक था, तो उसके घर वाले लेके गए उसको
थैली में
वादिया
लेके गए, yeah. That was him.
अशोक
उसका भी नाम
fitness-
ए से ही चालू होता था. ओके, तो ये मुझे ये बोलता है और एट दैट पॉइंट हम लाइक थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया ना.
हाँ भाई, बहुत ही रियल हो गया.
मैं तेरे से मैं तुझे 2 घंटे से भी नहीं जानती और
हाँ.
मुझे पता है तेरे में प्रॉब्लम है. तो ये मुझे बोलता है कि इसको एंजाइटी होती है डॉक्टर के पास जाने को. तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, घर पे इलाज करा ले. कौन है घर पे तेरे साथ अभी फिलहाल? बोलता है मैं घर पर हूँ. आई एम अनएम्प्लॉयड. आई कांट कीप अ जॉब एंड माई फादर लाइक मुझे रोज डांटता है क्योंकि मैं काम पे नहीं जाता और मेरे कोई दोस्त नहीं है. अब तू बोल, मैंने ये सब सुन लिया है और मैंने ऐसा फोन नीचे रखा है. मैं बोल रही हूँ आई यूजुअली डोंट लाइक टू शावर इन द डे बट मैं नहाने जा रही हूँ. आई नीड टू क्लियर माई माइंड. मैं नहाने गई. मुझे मुझे भी थोड़ा मतलब डर्टी फीलिंग आई.
हाँ भाई, दिल पे लगता है.
हाँ. फिर मैंने लाइक अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन मैंने अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड को फोन किया, ब्लाइंड
Nice.
लीडिंग द ब्लाइंड.
Nice.
वो मुझे बोलती है सही से, भाई ये तेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है,
हाँ
चुप
भाई.
से उसको ब्लॉक कर. तो आफ्टर लॉट ऑफ contemplation and the contemplation lasted 3 minutes,
Love.
I said goodbye uncle. I didn't even say anything. I have genuinely blocked him. I blocked him everywhere. And oh fuck, he also tells me ke don't scare me about this like testicle thing, because yesterday I spoke to some girl on Yellow app, and she said that
तो कभी
you know
बाप
it
नहीं बन
might
पाएगा.
be like terminal.
तो कभी बाप नहीं बन पाएगा वैसा. What?
ऐसा नहीं बोला था उसने, उसको बोला था कि
नहीं,
ये
मैं
बहुत
अपनी
बड़ी-
अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए बोल
हाँ,
रही हूँ.
ये और जाकर बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो गई. तो
हाँ.
वो उसको और डर लग गया.
बाप रे.
तो हाँ, मैंने चुप से उसको ब्लॉक कर दिया, और उसके बाद से मतलब आई एम नॉट.
सही है भाई.
I really hope. Actually, you know why I'm comfortable in saying this story is because I know I'm not the only victim and he does not remember me.
Even
अगर
though-
उसने एक और बंदी को बताया
हाँ
है,
भाई. हाँ.
तो फिर कितने और
कितने
ऐसे
और
होंगे,
होंगे.
ऐसे होंगे.
Right.
So that's why I'm
Crazy.
okay. But yeah, ऐसा हुआ था मेरे साथ एक बार. I don't know how I got into this situation. This is not very typical of me.
Yeah.
It's not like usually I'm very level-headed. I'm very like reasonable. But yeah, this was, I think a part of it was I wanted to do it for the experience.
हाँ भाई. For the plot.
It was literally 2 hours. This entire thing was just 2 hours
For the plot.
for the
Bhai,
plot.
For the
Yeah.
plot.
Do you remember there was this one guy which showed up on the Yellow app on your phone, and the person had a family group photo.
Oh yes. And then,
The
and then
person
we
had
made
a
a joke. And then we made a joke saying एक एक करके सबको डेट करेंगे जिया.
Yeah, oh my god, this entire like account, like profile
Yeah.
was a family picture from the 90s.
Yeah.
And that was all it was. And then there was another one. His name was Sahil, okay? It was only Sahil and it was twins.
Oh yeah.
Also, the guys who post
No, he had like multiple pictures too with matching outfits.
Just twins.
Oh,
Yeah.
I remember.
Yeah.
But I want to say this: the guys who think it's cool to post pictures with their female friends on or like any other dating apps, guys, it's not. It's not. Girls don't like it. I don't think so. Girls like it.
I don't
I
know. Never
don't
been
pay
on one.
attention, yaar. Honestly, it's very tiring, very exhausting to be on an app. So
Same.
like oh my god, I forgot to like point this out too. Like one of my biggest problems with apps is that one of my biggest icks in men is the fact that they have an app. Because what compelled you to like do this in the first place? See, when you think of like
Sex.
when you think of a man, like a grown
Yeah.
adult man, right?
Yeah.
And I think my type has also like shifted a little bit right now. If you think of a
It's
man,
not grown adult man anymore.
That was Sanjana.
one second, ma'am, so no. So, like it is still adult men
Thank you.
for sure.
Thank
But it used to be like the alternative music is like therapy to me, type men. But now it's more like
We know how that ended, so I'm glad it ended.
be a traditional sort of chivalrous man, a little
yeah.
bit more towards that now as
Yeah.
I'm growing and everything. So my biggest thing is like imagine a man like being so down in the dumps that he downloads an app. Number 1. Number 2,
Yeah.
logs in. Number 3, looks for photos in his photo app.
एक तो बंदे
Types out something intentionally to be funny to many
Yeah,
women.
It's damn cringe.
एक तो बंदे लाइफ में ना 6 फोटो लेते हैं, उसमें से अगर वो फोटो ढूंढ के डाल रहे हैं, मतलब कितना ही ज्यादा डेस्परेशन है वो लोग को, कितना ही
Yeah, so
ज्यादा.
the whole process of like a man making a dating profile for themselves to get laid to me is extremely unsettling.
Yeah.
So that is an ache of mine. And I'm not saying ke
Men shouldn't do it.
Oh my god, it's gonna be so. People are gonna think we hate men, guys. We don't. We don't hate men. I just, I dislike when my romantic interest has a dating profile. I'll have you know that. That's all.
That's a red flag. No.
But not
No.
like before you're committed.
Ah, okay, I
Yeah.
see it.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
उसके बाद तो अगर तेरा कोई hypothetical boyfriend हुआ
हाँ,
और उसके पास समझ कोई
cut off by.
making dating convenient, let's call it that, has made it so that you can really categorize men at this point in
Oh,
time.
definitely.
Like there is definitely categories in it. You know, you have the ghost, the breadcrumber, you've got the stalker. So the ghost is obviously somebody who just
reappears.
no, he
after
just
a while.
ghosts you, right? Like you had a
Yeah.
good run and then
Yeah.
like you never
What you
heard-
did to
Poof,
that guy.
gone, disappeared.
Yes, I was ghosting him fully.
Yeah.
Like, and then I'm never gonna see you again.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then you have like the freak who is like who literally swipes on you and then is the first message is asking for like feet pics. Like
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
the
yeah.
freak because like
Oh, I
you
thought
don't-
you'd say swipes on you and then asks you to marry him, something like that.
that's like
that-
the unhinged one, right?
Yeah.
Unhinged. But yeah, that's a bit unhinged. That's a bit too soon
Yeah.
type.
Mhm.
I would call them the immature. That can be that can be considered a little immature. So you have
I
the
could call them
freak who's like
deluded.
yeah. So there's a freak that's like only there for one thing and one thing only,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
they've made it very clear.
Hmm.
And you know what? I respect the freak.
Exactly.
I respect the freak
Don't be
because
coy about it.
the freak is not wasting your time.
Exactly.
So if you want something that is of that nature, and there's somebody else on the app that also wants the same thing, go right ahead.
Yeah, exactly.
Do what you need to.
Yeah.
That's the thing with choices, right? That I said that
Mhm.
today we have so many resources to actually decide what we want to, how we want our lives to plan out.
Hmm.
And I think that is like the autonomy that you get with that is
Definitely.
unprecedented. So
Yeah.
the freak, go for it. Like
Hmm.
don't go for freaks, but yeah, you know
If
what
you're
I mean.
into it,
Yeah.
choose
So,
wisely.
I have observed this thing about hookup culture as well, as you all know. Right now, it's like
yeah.
a huge thing. Hookup culture is like very huge. It has
When I was
taken
introduced
over-
to it, I was like, भाई ऐसा कौन करता है ये क्या होता है? But now I'm like, yeah, to each their own, yeah.
yeah.
Do
Yeah, I'm
whatever
not
fits.
shitting. Yeah.
Yeah.
Even I'm not shitting on it. Like, it's
Yeah.
so much convenient.
Yeah.
So much convenient. When
yeah.
if both the parties are on the same page, very fucking convenient.
Yes.
Great for both of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I have made this observation about hookup culture. Okay,
Mhm.
hookup culture in Bombay and hookup culture in Pune is very different.
Mhm.
What are you
Very,
saying?
very different.
Pizza, baby.
So I have made an observation that in Pune, everyone's ex is everyone's ex. Somehow they know, and they are all very
Yeah, Pune
interconnected.
people are inbred. Me when I eat a sandwich in Pune. Bro, what does the cheese say in a grilled cheese sandwich?
Almond bread. Arey yaar. We
So
know
bad.
this. Yeah, this is a very 5-year-old joke of yours.
So Pune people, they just like they know that इसका भी इसके साथ हो चुका है, इसका भी हो चुका है.
Hmm.
सबकी ex है, सबका ex
हाँ.
है. That is the thing in Pune.
Hmm.
But in Bombay, we are very secretive if we are having hookups. No one will get to know like that.
Yeah, no one will get
easily.
to know,
I
but
see
that
it.
circle is the same.
The circle is the same,
The
but you
circle is-
won't understand it until like 7-8 years later.
Mumbai is
Yeah.
a small town disguised as a metropolitan, guys. I'm telling you,
Yeah,
everyone knows
Knows
everyone.
everyone.
for
At
sure.
least I don't know if that's because I roam around in those circles or what it is, but I do feel like
No.
everyone knows everyone. I
Dude,
don't know
I
why.
do not. I do not have the similar kind of friends
But
circle
you
that
know
you
me,
do.
right? And I might know someone.
I feel like it's the place that we live in and the
Oh,
vicinity.
that's
That
there
is
for
fine.
sure.
Like your area is fine.
That's there
but
for
like,
sure.
Also, Instagram makes it very easy.
Yeah, Instagram,
Instagram
makes,
makes
it very easy.
So these apps then like make it so that there's a lot of types of people.
Right.
Another type that's like very infuriating is the breadcrumber. Obviously, the
What
one
is
who
that?
just like somebody who just gives you enough to keep you hooked, and they usually do that when you're in a low point where you'll take what you can get.
Oh no.
That guy would breadcrumb you
Oh,
a lot
fuck.
because he would what like give you 5 minutes of his time and then
Yeah.
ask for like 50 different favors in the next month.
Yeah, true,
Oh
true,
my
true.
That's what he
God.
did, didn't he? And
Yeah.
these favors can be obviously like there are people that are like getting into like really bad relationships and going into
Hmm.
debt.
Oh, fuck yeah,
Yeah,
bro.
because like it's very normal at times for like people in relationships to lend each other money,
Yeah.
and that is a different level of like intricacy that I don't
Hmm.
want to get into just yet. That's very weird.
Very crazy.
If I'm trying to like if I'm in a relationship with you and we aren't husband and wife, I'm going to be very careful with lending you my money.
Of
I
course.
really will.
Of
Definitely.
course.
Like I this may come off as very harsh, but it's very true to me.
True.
It's very
true.
reasonable and rational.
Yeah.
It's very rational.
It's a real problem though today.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I don't know if this existed back when. Oh my god, you know what this reminds me of? You know, so I don't know if the movie Gangubai is completely real or parts of it are fiction, but you remember how Gangubai, the character and the person was
Yeah.
asked to steal from home
Home.
so that the man,
Yeah.
you know, could make her a career, and then he sold her for whatever.
Yeah.
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 So like she also was like madly in love, and she
She
said
trusted
that she
him.
trusted him
Hmm.
with all of that, and then we know the events that followed.
Yeah.
But yeah, I guess that used to happen earlier
Hmm.
as well, taking into consideration that this is a movie also. Like take that with a grain of salt.
Yeah.
The next guy is the nice guy, right? He is so nice. Golden retriever energy. He you know, visits your house, makes you a sandwich, touches your mom's feet. Mom did not ask to be touched. She didn't. But the feet are touched. Right? And he's gonna try to be friends with your dog so that the dog gets attached to them. And then, you know, again, the nice guy can turn very sour very quickly. She's like, mm.
Speaking from experience.
Yeah. And like, I never trust a guy that's like,
Too
that's like
nice.
too nice too quickly, bro.
Too good to be true.
Too good to be true. But it's probably not.
It could, out of 100, one could be that's fucking legitimate.
Yeah.
Dude, 100 में से एक तो बंदा निकल ही सकता है ऐसा यार. Come on, you can't.
Every human is somewhere flawed.
अरे तुम, I'm not
somewhere.
saying he's the perfect guy.
Somewhere.
Yeah,
कुछ
definitely.
तो फिर कुछ तो वो थोड़ा सा एंगर इश्यूज हो सकता है फिर उसका, या फिर वो रैंडमली एक दिन आके तुम पे चिल्ला देगा फिर
हाँ, every
समझेगा.
coin has two sides, ना बाबा.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying.
I'm not saying this one guy is like मतलब भगवान है वो बंदा.
हाँ, ऐसा नहीं
ऐसा
होता
नहीं
वही.
The next one, I'm sorry, I'm just trying to break this tension. But like the next one is like one we all have been through. You, Sanjana,
Sanjana.
me, everyone in this room, you watching this. We've all had a stalker, bro. We've all had someone that lurks around, likes your stories, and does fucking nothing about it. Right? The occasional reaction to your story, the fucking at like when you post a cafe, been like, oh my god, they have such great croissants, and then that's it, bro. What do you want? What the fuck do you want? Like, if you want
You
it,
didn't call
ask for it. If I say no, get out.
Yeah.
Right? Like, can we all agree that stalking gets you nowhere?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're either in, either out. Decide. your
Thank you.
fucking
Yes.
place.
Yes. And just lurking around so that like ek din degi,
हाँ.
shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up.
So yeah, that was
I
my
think
definitive
I
list
think we've had that.
of the kind of men. Like this is strictly men because that is who I
yeah.
am attracted to. But I'm sure like there's these types for girls also, and I would like to know about them
Yeah.
too. Maybe in another part of this episode, or Maybe with somebody
Maybe
who...
you guys comment down
Oh yeah.
if you have encountered anyone.
Yes.
Would love to.
So how about if you've watched up until this point, you send us the 2 pink hearts for love. The 2 pink heart emojis. Comment a bunch of them down below. You can comment about what experiences you've had on dating apps, or the sort of modern dating experiences
Hmm.
that you have encountered as, like, maybe an older person or a younger person. We would love to know more about that. You can DM us your stories as well. We would love to read it. We would love to share it with the world.
And if you're
And-
listening to us on Spotify, do give us a good rating and follow us on there.
And if you're watching this on YouTube, please like this video, comment down below, comment your stories and your experiences that you would like us to talk about, and share this video with your weird exes who we've kind of mentioned in the video.
Follow us on Instagram before you go. Watch all of our reels, like them, watch all of them 10 times over, and then watch them again. And send us nice DMs, send us good comments. And until then,
Stay
Besharam.
Besharam.
Bye. Bye.